Today, I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent that can create and manage Jira tickets using natural language. All in a few minutes using Katonic's platform with Groq's lightning-fast inference for Humain models. Here's what we'll build together. First, we'll add our Groq-powered Humain model. Then create our Jira Assistant, test it live, and deploy it for your team. Let's get started. First, let's add our model. I'm clicking on Global Settings in the sidebar. Then LLM Management. Here I can see all the available providers. Under Groq, I have access to Humain's portfolio of models. Here we have GPT-OSS-120B. This is OpenAI's mixture of experts model served through Groq's LPU technology for incredible speed, all while ensuring data sovereignty. Adding a model is easy. Click on the Add to Model Library button. Add your API key. Set the input and output token costs for transparent billing. Assign it to respective user groups and click Add. The model will then be added to the model library. To view the available models, go to the top of this section and click on My Models Library. Excellent. Step 1 complete. Our lightning-fast GPT model is now integrated and ready. Next up, creating our Jira Assistant. Now let's build our Jira agent. I'm going to Applications. Create New App. And I'll name this Jira Assistant. Provide a description for the application and select the application category. You can also choose the application's share type. Set it to either private or shared based on your needs. For actions, I'm selecting Jira Create. This gives our agent the ability to create tickets. Proceed to provide instructions to the model. Now I'm selecting our GPT-OSS-120B model we just added. Perfect. Our agent is configured. Amazing. Step 2 done. Our Jira Assistant is created and ready to test. Now for the exciting part. Let's see it in action. Let's test this before deploying. I'm clicking Preview Application to see our agent in action. Watch this magic happen. And there we go. I can see the complete ticket summary, description, priority level, and assignee. Look at that speed. Under 2 seconds thanks to Groq's LPU technology. Incredible. Our live test was perfect. 100% accuracy, lightning-fast response, and flawless ticket creation. One final step to make this available to everyone. I'm clicking Create Application to deploy it for production use. And there it is. My Jira Assistant is now live and ready for my entire team to use. Now, anyone on my team can create Jira tickets through a simple conversation. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've built and deployed a production-ready AI agent that transforms how teams manage Jira tickets. From natural language to actual ticket creation, powered by Katonic's no-code platform, Groq's lightning-fast inference, and Humain's intelligent models. Your team can now manage projects through simple conversation. That's the power of Agentic AI.